guys, so we're pulling up to the next location right now. It's already a lot of cars and they're already getting ratchet as hell outside right now. So we're gonna go see what's cracking right now, guys. Oh, we got Stacks out the car. What's up, buddy?
Oh shit!
Oh, cops. Oh, help! Help me! I'm getting raped! Help! We got what? Hey, what's up, buddy? What's cracking? All right, we got 2 cop cars. One right here. What's cracking, buddy? All right, guys, so we're out here at one of my favorite locations. Like, I love how it says and there's still a lot of people right here right now.
Oh, is that King Fresh?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
What's up, baby? What's up? That's right. What's up, buddy? Oh, what's up, boy? Hey! Hi. His tires are as bald as they come, guys. He's about to pop his tires! Oh my God! Oh! There goes one! There goes the second one!
Secret weapon right here, bro.
Oh, you got a secret weapon? Oh,
look at that.
Oh, nice! Oh! Oh! That's the first, guys. So we got the chopper just like hovering around and shit.
Yeah, we got the location right here now.
Oh, what the hell? Let me find out, Mr. Mask. It's crazy how this spot like a few seconds ago was like mayhem. Everybody was running. I got rubber to my ball sack. This guy got it to his face. She got it to her knee. What's cracking, bro?
Fresh, what's up?
What's up, buddy? What's up? Hey, what's cracking? Liking the glasses, bro. Liking the glasses.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's cracking? What's up, buddy? Alright, guys, so they're doing a little tandem right now. We got the helicopter on top. Hey, this car was catching on fire, guys. What the hell? Pop! Oh, hell no. That shit's gonna blow up, dude. That's your car?
It's for the homies.
Oh, fuck, dude. Hey, 10 minutes back up, because that shit's gonna blow up, dude. It's gonna be nasty. Come on. Oh, hell no. It's already. Oh, fuck. Go. Oh. No. You're wasting it. You have to put it in. Dude, you just wasted all of that. Don't.
Stop.
Oh, my God. Back up.
Get back.
Back up! Oh, hell no! Okay, guys, so that thing's gonna blow up, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but that thing's gonna be big. Never witnessed this before, guys. This thing's gonna, in my opinion, it's gonna blow up, and it's just gonna do mayhem right now. What's up? I give it 10 minutes before it blows up. Firefighters are nowhere to be seen. This guy was swinging it hard, so yeah. The car just like. I tried to get close to it, like my skin was melting, my hair was burning. That hurts looking at me. The fact that I can't do anything about it. It's hot, guys. It feels like. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Guys, that thing is crazy. Now you turn it on! Call the firefighters! Hey, wait! Valiendo verga, güey. What's up? That thing's gonna...
Hey, Emilio!
Shit! I don't get it. Cops finally pulling up. Let's see. What's up, buddy? What's cracking? Hey. It's hot as hell out here, guys. We got the chopper chopper lighting us up right now. We got the cops right here pulling out. We got security. Nobody's doing anything. This thing is legit melting. Oh my God, dude, that thing is legit inflamed now, guys. Look at how it. Oh my God, look at how it looks right here. Damn, I'm already sweating, dude. Like if I'm in a sauna or something.
That shit hurts, bro. That shit hurts me.
She wants to make s'mores. Damn, dude, they gotta do it. Yeah, just back up, cause that thing's gonna blow big, dude. The tire might even come to us, fool. Final destination shit right here, dude. Yeah. Finally, we got the firefighters coming in. Finally, yes. Oh, watch out! Back it up! That's the tire. Uh-oh.
Just gonna hit the gas, take a minute.
Yeah, let's slowly back up this.
Yeah, slowly back it up, guys. So that thing is really on fire. It's gonna reach the gas right now. Firefighters are finally coming in, guys. They're getting after like 40 after the car's already totaled. I'm gonna zoom out, guys, so you can see how far I'm actually from Look. I'm actually a little bit far for safety purposes, guys. Hey, security, relax. Relax, bro. I know where you live. Relax.
I know you're doing your job.
Alright, let's go, guys. I know. What's up, buddy? I have to press the security a little bit, man. Alright, guys, so the firefighters are actually putting out the fire now. We're getting escorted away from the scene by the cops. But the fire has been taken care of, but the car is a total loss. Alright, guys, so I was private right now and I went unprivate right now. We're letting everybody come in right now, guys. Thank you guys for all the support, by the way, guys. I'm about to hit 13K on Instagram right now. The guy is back, dude. I know his butthole when I did.
He's like,
Let me see. Oh, wait, how do you go? I'm pretty sure you want like this.
¿Cómo fue, güey? ¿Cómo fue? Otra. Ay.
We fight?
Post Malone, dog.
Post Malone. Damn, that's dope, dude. How did you spot him?
He asked me for the Addy.
This guy's taking a lap. Go to sleep, ho. If you're tired as fuck, you go to sleep. What's cracking?
Catching you on Instagram, bro.
Oh, then I just posted the video. Thank you. That's right, bro. Thank you. Trying to sell his carbon fiber part, but nobody bought it, so he's going back home. Sad. Wah. We got spare tires and everything, so he's back, guys.